Hello, my name is Kanji Coder. My name is Kanji Coder. You're on video 905, Fractal Bucket Part L. We're making a game engine, and we are working on a Fractal Bucket Fill. We are on the fast code review, so we're going to run out of time if we don't get going now. Source code is here. Let's get fucking going. So in the Fractal Helper Function section, inside of the function we've been working on in the past video, let's scroll down here. So inside of Pebble Bounds, inside of this guard clause, are you okay, Annie? We have the top left pebble origin and the bottom right pebble origin. This is the inclusive selection area in pebbles of the current tile click. So all of the pebble size tiles affected by our click. Right down here, we're going to compute what that is. So we're going to take level local x, level local y, divide by the number of tiles in the current tile size, the number of pebble size tiles in the current tile size, and we'll add 0 for the minimum bound and add pebble minus 1 for the maximum bound. So now we have the left and right bounds in pebbles of our selection of our tile click, top and bottom bounds inclusive selection area of our tile click. Then down here we have the global pebble origin x and y. So this is the global top left origin in pebbles of the current room that our click is inside, right? So we're going to take the hotel address, multiply by the number of pebbles inside of one hotel, add the room address within the hotel, multiply by the number of pebbles inside of one room. And then once we have this origin, we can shift this local, right? This is the local pebble selection. If we tack on the global origin here to this local, now we have the pebble global selection area. The left and right inclusive selection, top and bottom inclusive selection. Now we also have some diagrams. We have some diagrams down here explaining kind of what we're doing, but we do not have any fucking time to review these because we were on the fast code review. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast videos here, tech demos only, source code here, ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder and I'm making a game engine from complete fucking scratch. If you want to see how to make a game engine or you just want to see where this project is going, then you need to like and subscribe. I was literally fired from ArenaNet for being a mad scientist, and they were totally justified in firing me, but I just want you to get an idea of what kind of person I am. I am completely fucking off the wall mad, and I am writing a goddamn game engine. You need to like and subscribe. I'm Kanji Coder.